Anindya Banerjee, SVP Currency and Commodity Research at Kotak Securities with us. Anindya, maybe a larger play of the dollar strength, but this is not great news, any which ways.
Very good morning, and thank you for having me. Yes, actually, it's kind of a double punch, because on one hand, we have this Strait of Hormuz being blocked and the oil prices are rising. Yes, the oil prices have not risen to levels which will set the alarm bells ringing. It's currently around 82, 83. But what's actually happening is, if you look at the cross-currency basis swaps, which basically gives us an indication about the dollar funding conditions, those are actually going deeply into negative, which means people are paying premium to borrow dollars in the offshore market. So that is what is hitting the currencies, including the Indian rupee.
Anindya, but the moot point, therefore, is where do we head from here? What are the lows that could be plumbed? And we were talking about the trade deal having benefited the rupee on the upside. We were yet to see the full impact of that. Is that out the window now?
Yes, because as long as the Straits of Hormuz is blocked, because a lot of maneuvers have happened over the last 12 hours. Trump has said that he is looking to at least start the energy flows through the Straits. Right now, we had a statement from Macron in the same direction. But as long as the barrels are not moving, the gas is not moving, this danger will continue. And it will continue to pressurize the rupee, which means RBI has to step in aggressively and supply the dollars, because it's a dollar shortage which is creating this.
Rightly, also as has pointed out, it's dollar strengthening rather than the rupee weakening. But how low can we go if things continue as is, Anindya? What are the levels you're seeing for the rupee?
The 92 quarter is a level which we are watching. If it starts to sustain above that, then the next level will be around 93 or 93 half. But it totally depends on how far the oil will escalate, because if oil gets to $100, then we could see even the levels of 95.
Okay. 93 next if we don't sustain here. 95 if crude moves to 100. Anindya, thank you so much for joining in.